back my channel for Hi the Explorer. Today we are going to unbox an iWatch SE. So let's go. So now I'm going to unbox it. So these are the things inside the box and I'll show you. So these are the parts in the Apple Watch and let's unbox them. First I'll open the watch part and after that I'll open the strap. Oh, here it is, it's so small, it's 40% millimeter. Cool. And let's see what a charger. Box. And now I'll show you this stuff. So now I'm going to box the strap. So this is just a paper and here's the strap and here's the user manual. You put it in the watch and yeah, that's it. Oh, it's so cool. It's in the Apple symbol and I attached this watch. Hey friends, and it's still something low battery. Please charge. Oh, it's so cool. It's in the Apple symbol and I attached this watch. Hey friends, and it's still something low battery. Please charge. Okay, we'll charge. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for Hi the Explorer. Don't forget to press the bell icon and you can't miss any of my videos. So bye. Bye bye. I'll meet you in my next one. Bye.